Hey there! Welcome to our channel with a new video. Are you looking for natural ways to burn fat while also healing your body from the inside out? Forget dangerous diet pills or starving yourself. What you eat can fuel fat loss and supercharge your health at the same time. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 6 powerful foods that not only help melt away stubborn fat, but also fight inflammation, repair your cells, and boost overall health. Make sure to watch until the end because the last food on this list is a game changer that most people don't know about. Let's get started. 6. Avocados. Starting off at number 6, we have a food that people either love or fear: avocados. Many people avoid avocados because they think they're too high in fat, but what if I told you that this creamy fruit actually helps burn fat and boost your metabolism? Yes, avocados contain fat, but it's the right kind of fat, the kind that activates fat-burning hormones, reduces belly fat, and supports overall health. Let's break it down. How avocados burn fat and heal your body. Unlike unhealthy saturated fats, the MUFAs in avocados help turn on the body's fat-burning genes. They also increase adiponectin, a hormone that boosts metabolism and burns belly fat faster. Avocados contain 10 to 13 grams of fiber per fruit, which slows digestion and prevents hunger cravings. This reduces the risk of overeating, making weight loss effortless. Avocados help stabilize insulin levels, preventing blood sugar crashes that cause fat storage. This makes them perfect for people struggling with weight gain, diabetes, or sugar cravings. Chronic inflammation is a major reason people struggle to lose weight. The omega-9 fatty acids in avocados reduce inflammation, helping the body burn stubborn belly fat more efficiently. Avocados have more potassium than bananas, which helps flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. Potassium also helps muscles function properly, keeping metabolism high and active. Science backs it up. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate 1 avocado per day had significantly lower levels of visceral fat, the dangerous belly fat around organs, compared to those who didn't. Another study showed that replacing carbohydrates with healthy fats, like those in avocados, led to faster weight loss and reduced cravings by 40%. How to eat avocados for maximum fat loss. Mash on whole grain toast with lemon and sea salt. Blend into a protein smoothie for a creamy texture. Add to salads with olive oil for extra fat-burning benefits. Mix with tomatoes, onions, and lime for a delicious dip. Tip: avoid processed guacamole with additives. Go for fresh, whole avocados instead. 5. Green tea. At number 5, we have a drink that's been used for centuries to burn fat naturally: green tea. This simple ancient drink is one of the most powerful natural metabolism boosters on the planet. It's packed with fat-burning antioxidants that help melt away stubborn fat, increase energy, and detoxify your body all at the same time. But how does green tea actually work to burn fat? Let's dive in. Green tea contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a powerful antioxidant that supercharges metabolism. Studies show that EGCG helps your body burn more calories while resting. Thermogenesis is the process where your body heats up to burn extra calories. Green tea naturally raises body temperature, forcing fat cells to release stored fat for energy. The catechins in green tea help break down fat molecules, making them easier to burn. This means your body can tap into fat stores more efficiently, especially during exercise. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that lowers cortisol levels and reduces stress-related weight gain. This makes it perfect for people struggling with stress-induced overeating. The liver is responsible for breaking down fats, but when it's overloaded with toxins, it can't function properly. Green tea helps flush out toxins, allowing the liver to burn fat more efficiently. Science backs it up. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day increased fat oxidation by up to 17%. Another study showed that people who consumed green tea extract before exercise burned 25% more fat compared to those who didn't. How to drink green tea for maximum fat burning. Drink a cup 30 minutes before exercise to increase fat burn. Replace coffee with green tea for a gentler caffeine boost. Brew hot tea or chill it for an iced fat-burning drink. Add fresh lemon juice to increase antioxidant absorption. Tip: Avoid sugar-loaded bottled green tea. Stick to pure, organic loose leaf or bagged green tea for the best results. 4. Wild salmon. Coming in at number 4, we have wild-caught salmon, known of the best foods for fat loss and healing. How salmon burns fat and heals your body? These essential fats turn on fat-burning genes and help reduce belly fat. Helps prevent blood sugar spikes, keeping fat storage in check. Chronic inflammation leads to weight gain, and diseased salmon fights this at a cellular level. Increases muscle growth, which boosts metabolism and helps burn fat even at rest. Science backs it up. Research shows that people who eat salmon at least 3 times a week have lower levels of inflammation and belly fat compared to those who don't. How to eat it? Grill or bake with lemon and herbs. Add to salads or quinoa bowls. Eat 2 to 3 servings per week for maximum benefits. 3. Eggs. At number 3, we have eggs, the ultimate weight loss and muscle-building superfood. How eggs burn fat and heal your body. Packed with high-quality protein, keeps you full for hours, reducing cravings and boosting metabolism. Choline for fat breakdown. Choline helps remove excess fat from the liver, preventing fat accumulation. Stabilizes blood sugar, prevents energy crashes that lead to junk food cravings. Eggs help release GLP-1, a hormone that speeds up fat loss. Science backs it up. Studies show that eating eggs for breakfast can help you burn 65% more fat compared to carb-heavy breakfasts. How to eat them? Have boiled eggs as a snack. Make scrambled eggs with veggies. Use omega-3 enriched eggs for extra benefits. 2. Dark leafy greens. Coming in at number 2, we have one of nature's most powerful superfoods, dark leafy greens. These nutrient-dense plants are fat-burning powerhouses that help detoxify, alkalize, and repair your body. But how exactly do they melt fat and boost healing? Let's break it down. How dark leafy greens burn fat and heal your body. Low in calories, high in nutrients, you can eat huge portions without excess calories, keeping you full and satisfied while still losing weight. Packed with fat-burning fiber, fiber slows digestion, reduces hunger, and helps flush out toxins and excess fat stored in the body. Leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which helps remove heavy metals, cleanse the liver, and eliminate toxins that slow down metabolism. Alkalizes your body. An acidic body promotes inflammation, and fat storage greens help balance pH levels, reducing belly fat. Rich in magnesium and B vitamins, these nutrients lower stress hormones, cortisol, which are linked to stubborn belly fat. Greens contain natural nitrates that improve blood flow and oxygen delivery, increasing fat oxidation. Science backs it up. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association found that people who eat more leafy greens have significantly lower levels of visceral fat, the dangerous belly fat linked to heart disease and diabetes. How to eat them? Add to smoothies for an instant nutrient boost. Use as a base for salads with healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Lightly saute with garlic and lemon for a delicious side dish. Make low-carb wraps using collard greens. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. And finally, at number 1, we have a food that's been used for thousands of years for its healing and fat-burning properties, extra virgin olive oil. This is not just any oil, it's a fat that actually helps burn fat while protecting your heart, brain, and skin. How extra virgin olive oil burns fat and heals your body. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil activate PPAR-alpha, a gene that tells your body to burn stored fat for energy. Studies show that olive oil helps reduce stubborn visceral fat and improves insulin sensitivity, preventing fat storage. Chronic inflammation slows down. Fat loss olive oil is packed with polyphenols that fight this. Olive oil contains oleic acid, which reduces bad cholesterol, improves blood flow, and protects brain function. A healthy gut is key for weight loss. Olive oil acts as a natural probiotic, feeding good bacteria. Suppresses hunger naturally. Unlike processed oils, olive oil activates satiety hormones, keeping you full longer and preventing cravings. Science backs it up. A Harvard study found that people who consumed more extra virgin olive oil had less belly fat and lower risks of obesity-related diseases than those who didn't. Another study in obesity research showed that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil leads to faster fat loss compared to low-fat diets. How to use it? drizzle over salads, grilled veggies, or lean proteins. Mix into homemade salad dressings instead of store-bought dressings. Add a teaspoon to smoothies for extra fat-burning benefits. Use it as a butter alternative when cooking. These 6 powerful foods don't just burn fat. They help heal and restore your body from the inside out. Now, imagine if you start including these foods daily, you'll see faster weight loss, more energy, better digestion, and overall improved health. Which of these fat-burning foods are you already eating? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.